Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll edit in Adobe After Effects using time remapping, freeze frames, image animations, text reveals, smooth transitions, and music synchronization. Let's get started! The first step is to import your video. There are several ways to do this. You can simply double-click inside the project panel, or drag and drop your video directly into the project panel. Once the footage has been imported, it's time to create a new composition. Now drag the imported video from the project panel onto the timeline. Your project is now ready, and we can begin editing and adding animations in the next steps. Now set the following composition settings. Duration, set it according to your video length or your project requirements. Click OK to create the composition. Double-click the imported video in the project panel to open it in the layer panel. This allows you to preview the footage and choose the exact section you want to use. Move the current time indicator to the frame where you want your clip to begin. Press Trim Out to edit the extra part of the video you do not want to use. Another technique is using Ctrl+Shift+D that splits the layer at the current playhead position. This creates a new layer above, allowing you to edit each section independently. Now enable time remapping by selecting Time Remap option from Layer menu, or use Ctrl-Alt key and T. To create a freeze frame at the end, extend the end of the layer. The last time remap keyframe will hold the final frame, giving us a clean freeze frame. We'll keep the beginning of the footage playing at its normal speed. For the middle section, add 2 time remap keyframes around the area you want to speed up. Move these keyframes closer together to increase the playback speed. To slow the footage down instead, simply spread the keyframes farther apart. This gives you complete control over the speed ramp while keeping the animation smooth and easy to adjust. We have already configured the final composition to 1000 by 1000 px. Next, import images into the project panel. Drag all of them onto the timeline and arrange them in the required order. Then trim each image layer to match the timing of the animation, ensuring each one appears exactly when needed. Use Keyframe Assistant to sequence the image layers and add a crossfade between each layers. Now create a null object and parent all 4 image layers to it. This lets you scale and reposition all the images together, making it easy to fit them perfectly inside the composition. Once the layout is set, animate each image individually by adding position keyframes. Adjust the timing and movement of each layer to create a smooth and engaging animation. Select all the image layers along with the null object. Then press Ctrl plus Shift plus C to pre-compose them. Choose Move All Attributes into the new composition, and click OK. This keeps the timeline clean and makes the animation easier to manage. Add a quick white fade flash between the scenes. This simple effect gives the edit a clean, energetic look and makes the transition feel much smoother. Now create a text layer to add some visual variation and make the edit more engaging. Next, split the footage at the freeze frame using Ctrl plus Shift plus D. Use the frozen frame layer as a track matte for the text. Then animate the text to create a smooth, eye-catching reveal. To add some color tone on images or footages, use CC Toner and change the settings to make them feel as per the story. Adding curves and adjusting the values will create visible contrast. Copy the effects and paste to other layers for the same effect. Then open the graph editor and fine-tune the motion by adjusting the speed graph. A few simple graph adjustments can make your animation look much more polished and professional. Create a null object and add slider controls to drive the shake effect. Rename the slider control effect here. Add the expression to the position key by pressing Alt and clicking on the position key. Parent the composition to the null so you can easily adjust the shake intensity throughout the animation. To finish the edit, animate the opacity of the final layer. Now add a text layer and apply a preset text animation to create a quick, professional-looking reveal. You can further refine the effect by adjusting the animation properties, such as position, scale, rotation, and opacity, to match the style of your edit. Finally, add a music track to the timeline. Music plays a key role in making the edit feel dynamic and engaging. use Ctrl plus Shift plus D to split the audio at important beats, then align those beats with your time remapped footage and transitions. Fine-tuning the music timing will make the entire edit feel more polished and impactful.
I did it all, I played pretend, I moved the mountains to be your friend. I wanna know if it mattered. I would have gone to war for you. I would have been.
And that's it. As you've seen, Adobe After Effects offers incredible potential for creating dynamic and professional edits with speed and efficiency. Its powerful animation tools, advanced compositing features, visual effects, and stunning text animations make it easy to transform simple footage into eye-catching content. With practice, you'll discover faster workflows and creative techniques that will take your videos to the next level.